When it come to being trill, better know that I'm the king. Pocket full of money, wrist full of blame, piece full of rocks, play a trunk full of bang. Trunk full of trunk full of bang. Trunk full of bang, trunk full of bang. Trunk full of bang, bang. Trunk full of bang, trunk full of bang. Trunk full of bang.
Man, that trunk full of bang, man, I'm swerving on the curb, man, I'm high than a bitch, you know I'm flying off that herb, sipping Drake, but it ain't served, but you know I'm from the Texas, so I'm swinging in that caddy, sitting on foes or that Lexus. Man, I'm a fool, man, I'm hogging, switching lanes as I grip this wood grain, man, I'm feeling so insane, man, I'm all up in that bitch, man, I'm all like, hell yeah, I be pulling on this thing, Kenny Red, hell yeah, you know just how I do it, got that flag up on my side, jump out with a fresh tee, and I'm just chilling, but alright, if you really talking about it, man, you know just how it is. Yeah, I'm from that fucking Texas. We ain't playing games, bitch. Yeah, you know just how we do it. As I pull up on the creek, don't grip it with great switching lanes, man. I'm just doing my thing. So don't hate, nigga, don't hate, and don't be frontin', don't be stuntin'. Niggas mumble as I pull up on the block and make it rumble.
Got a trunk full of bang. I got a trunk full of bang. You know I got it. Yeah. You know I got it. You know I got it, man. I got that trunk full of bang. You know I'm fucking got it. I got that trunk full of bang, watch the crack that I slang straight off the fucking block. Yo bitch chillin' on my cock, that nigga chillin' with my Glock. When I'm so ready to pop up to that nigga back, or we get fucking dropped by a real ass nigga coming from the bay. Don't give a damn, you better listen up to what I say. I don't play around too much, I play around just a little. I got your bitch and her pussy sweet as a Skittle. I'm chillin' with my niggas, pulling triggers at your face. Don't give a damn, you come around, I say you a disgrace. It ain't nothing to a motherfucking true religion, nigga. I fuck around, pull badass bitches at the club. I go around in South Houston, I get a bad bitch, yeah, she's fucking puking. Because I face fuck that bitch so hard, man, I face fuck to pull to the side of the fucking boulevard.
Trunk full of bang, trunk full of bang, trunk full of bang, trunk full of bang, better than